Okay, last one. It's mean word problems. So let's have a look at this. It's a 3-mark question. It says that 50 students each did a mathematics test. The mean score for these 50 students was 8.4. Judging by the numbers, I'm thinking this is in a calculator paper. I'm not exactly sure what revision list this is on. But if it is in a non-calculator, you're going to have much more straightforward numbers. This, I'm assuming, is a calculator paper because the numbers are a bit dodgy. So I'm going to use my calculator. Also because it's late and I'm tired. So let's see. 50 students did a math test. The mean score for the 50 students was 8.4. There were 30 boys. The mean score for the 30 boys was 8.25. Work out the mean score for the girls. So let's kind of use the first bit of information. So you guys hopefully remember that the mean is the sum of everything, of all your numbers, divided by how many numbers you've got. So how many you got, and that's the mean. So let's try to substitute what we've got here. So do I have the sum? I don't. But it says that I've got 50 students and they did a math test. So that means I should have 50 values for their marks. And it says if I do this, so the sum of all their marks, and I divide it by how many students I've got, I'm going to get 8.4. So from this, I could work out what's the sum of these 50 student marks. And I'm going to do that by multiplying by 50. So the sum is going to be equal to 8.4 times 50. So 8.4 times 50. That's 420. So that's the sum of the 50 student scores. And let's see how the boys did. So there were 30 boys. Again, the sum of all the boys' scores over the total number of boys is equal to 8.25. So that's the mean. I'm going to work out the sum for boys now. Sum B, I'm going to call it. So sum boys. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to multiply both sides by 30. So the sum of all the scores for boys is 8.25 times 30. Again, in my calculator. So 8.25 times 30. I'm getting 27.5. 247.5 even. I was just checking that you're still paying attention. So I've got the sum of all the students and I've got the sum of all the boys' scores. So if I do the sum of all the students minus the sum of all the boys, I'm going to get the sum of all the girls' scores. So 420 minus 247.5, I'm getting that's 172.5. And it's asking me to work out the mean score for the girls. So I've got the sum of the girls' scores. I just worked it out. It's 172.5. I know that there were 20 girls because there are 30 boys. And I'm just going to have to do that calculation and work out the mean. So 172.5 divided by 20, 8.625. So 8.625 is the average for the mean score for the girls. So obviously they did better than the boys, obviously. Okay, so this is it for me. I think I've touched upon all the requests you gave me. If you've got anything else that you'd like me to do clips for, just let me know. And happy revision. I'll see you in lesson. Bye.